CNTSUN's third manufacturing base, the East Hubei R&D and Manufacturing Base, is officially located in Xishui SanHua Industrial Park in Huanggang, east of Jingchu, covering an area of more than 50,000 square meters, which consists of R&D, intelligent manufacturing workshop, product showroom, management office and other major parts. CNTSUN will start the R&D and manufacturing of various new products, such as tracking system, flexible mounting system, pipeline corridor mounting system, subway hangar, evacuation platform, and so on. At present, the R&D base is nearing the end of its infrastructure construction and is in the stage of preparatory work before going into production.